I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see side, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. That make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, not even today, but this is a maintenance vlog. So I've been taking y'all with me. Y'all seen me get the hair done, y'all seen me get the nails done. It's gonna be feet, and then I'm gonna be pretty much done because I'm gonna do my own lashes. But it's my birthday weekend. We lit, we outside. Y'all, it's raining. This rain is killing my vibe, but I'm gonna make best of it because yeah, 23 Jordan year, period. So I'm gonna just vlog and take y'all with me. Y'all gonna be at all my appointments, and then I'm gonna make sure y'all see what we do. We going out tonight, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. I just know my friends gonna try to get me drunk. Like, I just know. And y'all know I don't drink, but we gonna see what tonight brings. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to my feet appointment.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Real man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just playing. Spin or playing. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. It's when they come to me, they'll play with it.
Busy on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say my hitters gon' bang quick. Fuck around and get dangerous. Step like bimbos. To my Timbo. Hoes know I ain't playing games, no Xbox, Nintendo. Real no force, I stand on it, that's 10 toes. Pulled up with the big body with the dog tints on the window. He says she's so sweet, they gon' wanna lick her right off. Let them taste the then I kick them out right after. Got these niggas vexed cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga try to fall.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it.
Bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture.
It's recording. I just want to do that. Okay. Do what? The brightness low. I'm not ready. Oh, it's burning. Did I eat?
You did?
Yeah, I ate some Wendy's earlier. At like 4. But I just ate the nuggets, 2 pieces. They better play some good music. Woo! Back to back. Brittany. My hair about to be so goofy. You're really silly. Talking about I'm goofy. No, you. We outside. I'm finna vlog. On it.
Make her like me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Booker. Beat.
Oh, I don't want to take away.
Booker. I do that shit a lot. Nothing, picking up freebies for my birthday, y'all.
Here's yours.
Okay.
Happy birthday to
Cut up, Beth.
you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Alexis.
Not call me that. Who is that?